Today we will be making carbonara spaghetti. This is a special request from my son Roshan, who is in Melbourne. So this is especially for you, Roshan. So the ingredients we need to do carbonara is mushroom. This is 230 grams of mushroom, 2 garlic, 1 onion finely chopped, and spaghetti, egg yolk, 2 egg yolk, and we need cream. So this is 200 ml cream, so we need 2 of it, so it's 400. So we'll wait until the oil become hot before we put in the ingredients. Then the onions. We'll put 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. And 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll let the onion to become a bit slightly brown before we put the mushroom. We give another 5 minutes. If you want to make a chicken carbonara, when the onion have been sauteed like this, you put in the chicken, fry the chicken first, then you put in the mushroom. So since I'm not making chicken, I'm only making mushroom, so I'll just add in the mushroom now. So we'll give another 5 more minutes for the mushroom to cook before we put the cream. We'll stir it, and after this we'll let it cook for a while. Let it boil. After it's boiled, then we'll add in the pasta. The reason we put the egg yolk is to make the pasta even creamier. So when you put the egg yolk, it becomes more tastier. So we are putting 2 egg yolk for the quantity that we have. So the pasta we already boiled, so we're going to add the pasta now. So this is how it's made. So the carbonara pasta is already made, you can see. A sufficient amount of cream and mushroom will make the pasta very tasty. So do try this recipe. It's a very simple recipe, and do subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos. And Roshan, I hope you try the recipe. Okay, that's all for now.